everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be telling you how you can do your own makeup at home for any occasion. So it was my brother's wedding few weeks back and I didn't know whether to hire a beautician or not. First thing is they are way too pricey, and second thing is the event happened in a town where I didn't know any beautician. And instead of being skeptical, I felt that okay, I have all the basics, why don't I do my own makeup? So here is a video where I'll be showing you how you can do your own makeup at home for any event.
So I'm starting with absolutely nothing on my face. The first step is to moisturize your skin. So I'm using Mamaearth's aloe vera and turmeric gel. I'm applying generously and giving it a good massage, and I'm going to let it dry. The next step is to hydrate your lips. So I'm using this lip balm by Miniso. The next important step is to apply a primer. So I'm going to use generous amount of primer. This is going to help me in filling the pores if any, and also helps me in applying the foundation smoothly. So the product information is all available in the description. So please check the description for more information. So I have a problem of uneven skin tone, especially the places which I am showing now. So I found this trick online that we can use orange or a red tinted lipstick as a color corrector. I prefer this method over applying a concealer. For some reason I feel the concealer looks more whitish, or it gives that patch, it makes it look very unreal. So the concealing is still not complete until you apply the foundation on top of the color corrector. So I'm going to take a pump of it and I'm going to apply very little on top of it and slowly dab. So I am just dabbing here, remember that, because you're not going to wipe off that color corrector, so just keep dabbing. And next I'm going to apply the foundation in all other places. So now I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend all the foundation. So the first tip here is use very less foundation. You can always go with little and then build more. Like you have seen, I have applied very little foundation and I'm trying to dab it all. Remember that I'm not wiping anything, I am dabbing it. Dabbing is a key here. Now I'm going to take another pump for my neck and for my ears. Now I'm going to build more by applying another pump on my face. So as you can see, I am going with the dabbing again. So after foundation application, wait for it to dry and settle. Due to our body temperature, the foundation oxidizes and turns a bit darker than its actual color. So do not worry about the foundation looking a bit lighter when you apply. So the next step is to apply the compact powder closest to your skin color. I am using my Kat Von D contour palette and picking the powder of my skin color. I am using a brush to blend here, going in circular motion. Moving on to contouring. I am taking the same brush, squeezing it like this for the precise application. Now pick the darkest shade and make a fish pout just like me. Now you know where exactly is your cheekbone, and don't forget that jawline. If you have a big forehead like me, apply it on the upper corner of your head, just like this. Now the time is to blend. Make sure it does not look harsh. Keep it subtle. The more you blend, the more you look subtle. So keep on blending. Contouring gives a sculpted look by creating false shadow. It's a time to contour your nose. Actually, I do not need this step. As you can see, my nose is already way too sharp. But well, as a tutorial, I'm going ahead. Draw two parallel lines with a darker shade contour powder and blend it outward like this. So this is going to create a false shadow which makes your nose look sharper. So this trick is going to be very handy for those who have blunt nose. Time to fill the brows. I am using my Chambord Pro pencil. Comes with a spoolie. First I am going to comb my brows and see where I have less growth. I am not going to add extra, but just fill the place where there is less or uneven growth. This gives it a natural look. Also, do not over apply in the inner corners as it makes your brow look harsh. Using my Colorbar eyeshadow palette and a tapered eyeshadow brush. Picking the darker shade and applying it on the outer corner on the crease and going back and forth like this. Remember, I am not touching the inner corner and I am taking very less product. Also make sure you dust the excess product before you apply. I am using the same palette and picking the lighter shade, applying it on the middle of the lid and on the inner corners. Now I am going to use a different eyeshadow blending brush to blend everything. Just wiping off the eyeshadow spills, if any. If you are born with thick lashes, do not bother about false lashes or falsies. Go ahead with curling your lashes, followed by a good amount of application of mascara. Time to apply the eyeliner. I am going very basic today, but you can go for a dramatic winged eyeliner. Anything of your choice is going to look very good with this. Time for blush. Take a little, dust the excess and go very gentle, just like this. The blush is supposed to be applied on your cheek and it should be right above your contouring. For someone who likes dewy finish, make sure you apply a highlighter. I am using this liquid highlighter by Nykaa, but you can go for even powder highlighters. If you don't have a highlighter, do not worry about it because you can use a glittery light colored eyeshadow. This is applied on top of your cheekbones, right above your blush, just like this. This can be applied on your nose for a sharper look and on the cupid's bow for a pouty lip. Time to wipe off that lip balm which I had applied earlier. I am picking this shade called Poison Ivy by Sugar, matching my eyeshadow and blush color. I like this trick of making my lips look fuller by applying a little foundation in the middle, and also this helps in keeping the color put for a long time. Now we will finish the entire look with a spray. I am using a NYX matte spray which helps me keep my makeup put for longer hours. So I have sprayed it and let it dry. So here is my final look for any event where you are the center of attraction. Trust me, this is not one of those cakey makeup which you see often. Girls with good skin can surely try this yourself at home. Keep practicing and you will get better. Save your money and do not splurge on makeup artists for your big days, especially when you are in doubt. So girls, I'll see you again in a new video. Till then, bye-bye.